Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to check the reviews of a buyer on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to check the reviews of a buyer on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to check the reviews of a buyer on Fiverr mobile app. So today I'm going to show you how to check the reviews of a buyer on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Here is the interface of seller. Now you are seeing different buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on inbox icon. Now you are seeing messages from different buyers. If you want to confirm the buyer have good reputation in this platform and want to see the reviews of a buyer, click on the buyer you want to confirm. Now at the right, you are seeing profile pictures of buyer. Click on it, scroll down. From here, you can see reviews of a buyer. There you go. If you wanted to know how to check the reviews of a buyer on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.